Hello and welcome to Nutricon Silage Feed, where we are revolutionizing the agriculture industry through our innovative approach to corn silage feed production. Today, we are excited to share with you an incredible investment opportunity in new agri-tech business segment which doesn't have competition. Problem statement: Indian dairy industry is facing 15 to 20% scarcity of green and dry fodder consistently, and also experiencing low milk yields and facing huge shortage of labor for farm maintenance. So, how to overcome fodder shortage issues? In order to solve fodder shortage challenges, we are commercializing high-quality fodder production in the form of corn silage and improve shelf life up to 1 year and supply to all farms on regular basis so that livestock farms won't suffer shortage of fodder throughout the year. Let's understand what is corn silage. Corn silage feed is a fermented form of green maize fodder with shelf life of 1 year. How do we make corn silage? We harvest mature green corn plants, chopping them into small pieces and ensiling in airtight conditions with high density to ferment, creating a high quality feed for livestock. Step 1. Identify quality green corn fields at age of 80 to 90 days. Step 2. Use forage harvesters and load into trucks. Step 3. Spray inoculant liquid to speed up fermentation before packing. Step 4. Make bales with high density using ultraviolet protected film for 1 year shelf life. Step 5. Leave bales for 3 weeks for fermentation process and silage is ready to use. Corn silage is a vital component in livestock nutrition in today's world, and the demand for high-quality silage is increasing day by day. At Nutricon Silage Feed, we have mastered the art of corn silage production, ensuring top-quality product for our customers. Who are our customers? Cow and buffalo dairy farms, goat or sheep farms, gaushalas, milk collection points, cattle feed shops, government livestock departments, cooperative milk unions. Market potential. The global demand for animal feed, especially high-quality silage, is on the rise. With our strategic location and state-of-the-art facilities, we are perfectly positioned to meet this growing demand in the country as well as export market for Middle East and Africa countries. Overall market size in India is Rs 4 lakh crores, 95% open market available. Rs 250 crores immediate business opportunity in each state. Innovative techniques. What sets us apart is our commitment to innovation. We employ cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices to maximize yield and quality with the help of European technology imported from countries like Norway, Germany, and Turkey. Our team of experts ensures that every step of the process meets the highest standards. Investment opportunity. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, the investment opportunity with Nutricon Silage Feed. We are seeking partners who share our vision for sustainable agriculture and livestock feeding and want to be part of a thriving industry and collaborate to set up units across multiple states in India. Why to invest? Number 1. One of top 5 companies in India with 7+ years of experience. Number 2. Generated total revenue of close to Rs 50 crores till date. Number 3. Has 1 lakh plus customer inquiry database. Number 4. No competition business. Number 5. Long life equipment up to 20 years. Number 6. 95% open market. Number 7. Chance to become monopoly market leader in the fodder segment. Number 8. Key clients work so far Animal Husbandry Department, AP, Nandini Dairy, Visakha Dairy, Dodla Dairy and Dhyan Foundation. Every state has at least 200 crores of immediate demand. Our company's target is reaching 500 crores annual turnover in 6 to 7 years' time. Return on investment or benefits to investors. Investing in Nutri-Corn silage feed means not only being part of a dynamic industry but also enjoying substantial returns on your investment. Our financial projections indicate a promising future and we are confident in the growth potential of our business. Number 1. Chance to get minimum 3x ROI in 3 years' time. Number 2. Early investors get share at 25 to 30% discounted price. Number 3. Minimum investment size Rs 10 lakhs.